Welcome to Court on Dashcam. Make sure to click the like and subscribe.
Particularly overlooked, right? I did feel like important.
So I ignored the first text message, and then I got two more, and I thought, better come in. She went, because they're doing.
Oh. That black car just fucking ploughed straight into traffic.
Oh.
Forced his way through.
Apparently.
Well, get off the road then, you knobhead! Prick! Don't go fucking 6 mile out into the middle of the road.
So that's all for you. I'm wiping out your whole team. Albums, fly to your dreams, with lyrics to shatter your schemes.
Keep your eye on the white truck in the middle of your screen. Its left front tire comes loose suddenly, shoots across a lane, rolls underneath the black Kia Soul, and that sends it flying into the air as you just saw, landing on its roof and rolling onto its wheels. That loose tire still rolling down the freeway hits the back of the Kia and then